Good to see you again. Today it will be special. I'm going to show you the cultural heritage of Slovakia. We are going to make a traditional Slovakian cheese. Cheese making in Slovakia is old centuries, and I'm super proud that my grandfather was shepherd for whole his life. My friends, and he really teach me how to create the special Slovakian cheese called oštiepok. If you are not aware, the oštiepok is a smoked cheese from the sheep milk, and it's a part of UNESCO heritage. So today, as I already mentioned, it will be special. So let's start. So at first you have to have a really high quality milk, not from supermarket but from local farm or something like that. This one is from today's morning. It's like 50 liters. We are going to prepare a pot and we are going to warm it and process it. Here we go. We are almost there. 5 more minutes and we are good to go. So milk is almost 40 degrees. You need to try it with your finger, and a little tip, your body is not 40 degrees. So as soon as the milk feels a little bit warmer than your body, then it's right temperature. And please guys, advice, if you are warming the milk on a fire, you have to really mix it, because it used to really burn on the bottom of pot sometimes, and then if this happen, then everything is screwed. So be careful. So if you can see little black dots on the surface of the milk, it's just ash, no worries, it's not nothing super crucial. Now I'm going to clean it, and yeah, next step is waiting for us. My friends, the milk is with the right temperature right now. Now you have to have two basic ingredients. The first one is the rennet. Yeah, this is the magic potion which make a cheese from your milk. Yeah, you are able to order it from the internet, no worries, not big deal. And this is the calcium chloride. This is really cool stuff, and what does it make in your milk? You will have at the end more cheese from the same amount of the milk. Yeah, that's the main functionality. The normal dose, sorry, this is like a 36% yeah, the strong of the potion, but you will just, yeah, the dose is like 20 milliliters for 50 liters of milk, so it will be just a little bit of it. So guys, it's the time, let's go. The first one is calcium chloride, yeah, just a little bit, yeah, like this. And second one, as I already mentioned, is the rennet, and the dose is just half of this. Now you have to really stir it a lot. Make sure everything will be mixed. As soon as is everything really stirred and mixed and everything, so now we have to wait like from 30 to 45 minutes. And now the magic will happen. So yeah, now please cover your milk, protect it, and we will check it after 30-45 minutes. Please be aware of your fire, keep it alive, because now we are going to boil some water, because we will need it in the process, but you will see. So now we are going to check it, my friends, and we will see. Ah, yes, now you can already see there is the water and it's like a pudding, yeah. The test is when you touch it, yeah, so you have like pieces of the cheese already. So now we are able to start. So now we have to crush all these material to the pieces with a size, yeah, I don't know, as a bean, yeah, and then again we left it for another 30 minutes. So let's go. So now we have to leave it for 15 to 30 minutes, we will see, and all the cheese will settle down and all the liquid stuff will be on the top. Yeah, and then we will start forming the pieces of cheese. So and now you have to really clean your hands, sanitize them as myself, and now we are going to push the cheese material to the bottom of the pot. As you can see now, the cheese is already forming on the bottom, yeah? So all these is a cheese. So the cheese is already formed on the bottom of the pot, and now we have to process it with the hands. We have to do the stuff as with a dough, yeah? And then we are going to use the special forms which I already showed you. It's a wooden handmade special form to give the cheese the specific shape of the osztyepok. So let's go. And now is exactly the time to use boiling water. And as soon as the cheese is formed, now you have to put it to the really cold water to keep the shape. And continue. All cheese is already formed, and now we have to prepare a solution from a water and salt, and we leave these cheeses during the night in this potion, my friends, because it will protect the cheese and it will also give it a little salty taste. So we are going to prepare the water with salt, and then it is for today. We pour inside like 5 liters of water. Now I will mix it with like 3 kilos of salt, and that's it. Yeah, then we will put the cheese inside and we will leave it for tomorrow then. And now we are going to put this beautiful cheese to the salty water. Yeah, we have 5 pieces. And I would love to show you something. Exactly the right concentration of salt is when it's floating. Yeah, it's not sitting on the bottom, it's floating, this cheese. Then you know you have perfect amount of salt inside. My friends, so cheese is in a salt water, and we will see each other tomorrow, because we are going to smoke this cheese. Bye guys. Here we have a next day, and we are going to prepare smokehouse, my friends. So my friends, fire is running right now. I added really 2 big logs on the top. These logs have to be not dry, but have to have some moisture inside, because we want to produce smoke, not the fire only. Yeah, and now I have to wait like 10 minutes. Everything will start, and then I will fill the smokehouse with the cheese. Everything looks okay. Now I will show you the hangers which we are using for this type of cheese, because it's a shape of egg. So we really insert this kind of egg inside this hanger, and then we will hang it really up here. Yeah, because the highest concentration of the smoke will be on the top. So yeah, let's go. Cheese looks like this. Absolutely awesome, gorgeous. Now it's salty. It spent the whole night in the salty water. Now we are going to put the hangers on the top, and yeah, we will fill the smokehouse, and then we have to smoke and smoke. Little tip: before we will put the cheeses to smokehouse, we need to dry the surface of the cheese. The reason is, if we put the cheese as it is, really like with the moisture on the surface, then all smoke will cover it, and it will be black. So it's not healthy and it's not tasty. So really be careful. Even during the smoking, we need to check the cheeses and dry it up sometimes. Yeah. So yeah, let's work. So my friends, 5 pieces inside. Now I'm going to check the fire, produce a little bit more smoke, close the smokehouse, and we really have to check the cheeses every 30 minutes, 1 hour. Yeah, and dry the surface again, check the fire, everything is okay. Yeah, and after 1 or 2 days of smoking, it should be done. But no worries, I will show you. So, and now is the time to check our cheese. It's already more than 2 hours, so I'm really curious. Look at that. It really looks awesome. Yeah, it's already with a little brown color. So, cheese is checked, looks really delicious, already has a little bit of brown color from smoke, yeah, so it looks really awesome. I added the 3rd log, yeah, to really keep it really not burning but producing the smoke. And yes, we will check it a few more times, and tomorrow maybe, yeah, it will be done. So I'm really looking forward to show you the final result. My friends, we are back after 3 days. 2 days we were smoking the cheese, and the last day we just keep it there to, you know, dry it out a little bit, and now we are going to check it. Let's open it. Look at this. Look at that beautiful stuff. Oh my god. So, what is your opinion? So, I'm going to take it home and then we will taste it together. So, and it's done. It looks really gorgeous, really brownish smells, awesome, really smoky, really salty. So, let's try it. So my friends, and that's it. That's all today's video. If you like our content, there is no better way how to support us than give us a subscription, share the video, like the video, leave a comment, and we will see each other in the next one.